Rebuild Florida received hundreds of millions of dollars to repair and replace homes. I found some people's homes would be torn down and only partially replaced. Their voices were being ignored by elected officials until I got involved.
Here's all leaking.
Hurricane Irma victims in a classic catch-22. To live in a healthy, safe, secure environment, they need a replacement home. But once they get a replacement home, they'll face eviction.
I've cried many a tears over this.
In December, I introduced you to Debbie Shiver. Debbie's Lakeland community mandates a carport and shed. Rebuild Florida is tearing these structures down, then declining to replace them. I was told replacing these structures, quote, goes against regulations by HUD, U.S. Housing and Urban Development.
I don't have the money for all of this. That is why I decided, to go with Rebuild Florida. But like I said, I'd never do it again.
Okay, it's all caved in all the way back.
Same dilemma for Debbie's neighbor, Gary McMaken. Gary tried to bargain with the state, keep his old carport and shed.
I've asked if they would just leave that and I will attach it, but they said they can't do that. I have no income or except for Social Security, no savings.
I asked the state why it was handing out homes that left people on the brink of eviction. In communities where carport is mandatory, why would the federal government ban replacement? Turns out the feds are doing no such thing. Bottom line, the state can rebuild the carport, they can rebuild the shed.
Absolutely. Really, it's up to the discretion of the state to rebuild what is appropriate.
Democratic Congressman and candidate for Governor Charlie Crist obtained a letter sent from HUD to Rebuild Florida. In black and white, the feds say the state has deference. They could replace carports and sheds. Despite this letter, for weeks, Rebuild Florida still wasn't budging. Governor Gary McMaken lives in a mobile home community. At a news conference in St. Pete, we brought Governor DeSantis up to speed and asked for his help. Can you look into helping Gary and people like Gary in this situation?
Yeah, so do you have the address and everything like that you could give, that I could give to the secretary?
Yes.
From Irma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yep, we're happy to do it.
Thank you. Immediately, the governor's press secretary emailed me the problem will be solved. With the governor on board, now for the first time, Rebuild Florida changed its tune.
And I'm looking for the carport to be there.
If a carport and shed are required in a community, they will be replaced. We told Gary and Debbie the news.
Are you kidding? I'm sorry. That is wonderful. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, yes. That gives me new hope. So I appreciate it very much.
Rebuild Florida got $346 million just to repair homes, and they say they are being smart about how they spend the money to ultimately help more Floridians. So again, they are not going to replace all carports and sheds. Rebuild Florida will only do it if the requirement is in the mobile home park prospectus or in the formal deed restrictions.
Which it wasn't the case, as you pointed out, and you feel so good for those people that finally have some closure to all this. Why wasn't the state doing this all along, however, if these were mandatory problems to be solved?
Exactly. Didn't make any sense at all. Now, the state seems to be saying that the feds have flip-flopped here. Rebuild Florida says they were just following available guidance at the time when they initially decided not to replace these structures, but that has changed now after our reports since last year.
And I just love seeing their reactions, both of them. Doesn't that make your day?
Sure.
It's good stuff. Thanks, Mahsa.